Do you know why life exists on this earth? What's the primary reason? Did water come to your mind? Well, yes, water is an important factor for Earth to have life on it. What other things came to your mind? How about land and air we breathe? Did you think of them too? Yes, now they are the three basic components of the Earth: water, land, and air. Do you know what these are called? We call them natural resources. And what do we mean by natural? Natural comes from the word nature. Natural resources are derived from nature and not caused or created by mankind. The Earth is quite interesting to understand and is made up of three distinct yet connected spheres. What are these spheres? The names of the spheres are derived from Greek words for stone, which is litho, water, which is hydro, air, which is atmo. Yes, these are the three main spheres of the Earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. The rocks along with their mineral components are together called the lithosphere. It covers the entire planet. Remember, litho means stone. The lithosphere consists of the rocks, the ground, and the minerals that are found on and in the Earth. It's also referred to as the geosphere. Geo meaning ground. Let us look at another sphere of the Earth. Now, have you seen the globe? It's made to look just like the way it is observed from space. Which color does the globe exhibit? Blue, isn't it? Oh, and a little green as well. So if the Earth appears blue, what does that mean? The Earth is blue in color because around 71% of it is covered by water. 71%. That is almost 3/4 of the Earth, isn't it? Yes, that's a lot of water. Water not only forms a part of the surface, but is also present under the ground. We call the water component of the Earth as the hydrosphere. It includes the oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. Even the polar ice caps and the glaciers. Now what about the air? The Earth has a blanket of gases that envelope it, and do you know what it is called? Yes, it's called the atmosphere. It's the body of air that surrounds our planet. So which are the three realms of the Earth? The lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. You must know that all these spheres interact with each other and are connected. How do you suppose they interact? Here is an example to help you understand. Organisms live on land and they depend on plants and animals for their food. All three of them need water to drink and air to breathe. Also, the water which comes down as rain moves through all the three spheres. There are endless examples to show the interactions. But the underlying fact is that the interaction of the three spheres makes life possible. This life-supporting zone of the Earth, where the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, and the lithosphere interact, is called the biosphere. It is sometimes referred to as the fourth sphere and consists of the places where life can be found. So we can say that the biosphere connects and influences the other spheres, and the other spheres in turn affect the biosphere. But do you know who coined the term biosphere? It was a geologist named Edward Suess who in 1875 coined the term biosphere. The biosphere has two major components. Can you guess what they are? As you know, the biosphere contains living components like organisms, plants, and animals, along with non-living components like soil, water, rocks, and many others. The living components of the biosphere are called as biotic factors, whereas the non-living components are termed as the abiotic factors. These are the two major components of the biosphere: living components, biotic factors, and the non-living components, abiotic factors.